Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix common Google Sheets errors such as ref, value, and more. So if you want to fix such problems, you can help. It will help you to keep your spreadsheet functioning correctly, and this video will help you to identifying and resolving the errors. So the first one for the ref error like this, it caused by the formula references a cell that is invalid. So the reference cell might be deleted or hidden. So to fix it, you need to restore the references. You can undo recent changes by clicking on this Control Z. If you accidentally delete the reference cell, or you can also update the formulas, edit the formula to reference an existing range or cell. So if, for example, if A1 plus B1 returns ref, ensure that the A1 and B1 is exist. And the second one, the value error. So it is caused by the formula that has an incorrect type of input. For example, text where a number is expected. So if you want to fix it, you can check for the data types, ensure that the cells referenced in the formula contain numbers, not text. You can also use error handling functions such as if error. So the third one, the divided by zero. So it is caused because you attempt to divide by zero or an empty cell. So you can fix it by use an if statement to check the divisor. And the fourth one, name error. So it is caused because a formula contains a misspelled function name, missing quotes, or undefined name range. So you can double check the correct spelling and ensure you have the proper quote. So you use double quotes for text. So instead of writing it like this, it should be like this. And the next one is a number error. So it is caused by the formula that has invalid numeric values. For example, taking the square root of a negative number. You can check for numeric inputs to fix it. Validate that the numbers used in the formula are appropriate. And the next one is an A. The error is usually caused a lookup function. Because the lookup function cannot find the search value. So you can just check the data range, ensure that the lookup value exists in the specified range. And the last one is error. So error is usually caused by a generic error due to syntax issues or unsupported operation. So to fix it, you can just review the formula syntax, check for the formula, check if the formula has the proper structure, and you can also break down the formula into smaller parts to identify the issue. And so that's all for me. I hope by understanding these common errors and their fixes, you can make your Google Sheets more user friendly. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.